guys! So it's been a little while since I've done a video. I want to do a Poison Ivy look today. I just saw a picture of her scrolling Facebook and I was like, I'm doing it. I'm doing that tonight. So I made some little thingies for my eyes. Let's get started for Poison Ivy. We're gonna prime our face. Not with that though, because we didn't shake it up. There we go. Now we're gonna prime with this. It is our marshmallow primer. It's supposed to smell like marshmallows, but I don't think it really does. Fill in your pores. No one can know you have pores. We're gonna do some illuminating drops to illuminate the face. My luminous. I've been using this Kat Von D foundation as concealer because it is several shades too light for me, which is surprising because I am quite pale, but it works great as a concealer. Now that we have concealed the baggage, we will lay our foundation. I got finally one of these little flat head foundation brushes and I love it. I just got the one from Ulta. The coverage on this thing is insane. I'm going to use just a little bit of this foundation instead of putting eyeshadow primer on. So we're going to do some eyeshadow. I am using one of my ColourPop palettes because ColourPop is the very, very best. Just gonna fully cover this lid in a neutral tone and rinse and repeat. Don't really rinse, just repeat. I know some of you come here for the bad jokes. Yeah, I can still smell that marshmallow primer. It's pretty. And for the moment, we're not going to pay too much attention to our brows because the eye thingies we did should cover those up. So we'll just kind of brush through. Now she does a pretty solid golden base. I'm trying this out. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. That really didn't do much at all. Thanks, Jecca Block Gold Touch Shimmer. Oh, this is a finish. Maybe that's a bad idea to use as a primer. User error. We're gonna layer with our El Malecon from our Alamar Cosmetics palette. Woo, there's the gold. That's what we were looking for. Pretty, pretty. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Okay, now she has a bit of red under the eye. So I haven't used this yet. This is the Persephone palette. Ditto Persephone. This is pretty. We're gonna do a little bit of red here under the eye, under the lash line, under the eye. I don't know. I didn't finish that thought. Okay, red alert. All right. So now we're going to do a little bit of sculpting in the crease. We are going to do an orangey yellow color. We're gonna use this yellow one here. Back to our ColourPop palette. And I'm probably gonna hit that with a little bit more of the gold because it's a little bit darker than I anticipated. Look what I did, I just covered it up. So we're gonna get this right eventually. Ooh, that's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna hit this side again a little bit, cover it up, bring it back up. Okay, that's nice. I don't like the red underneath though. I'm gonna hit that again with a different red. You let me down, Persephone, you let me down. It's gonna be a tad darker. Oh, it's too pinky. Persephone is very pink. ColourPop, you saved the day, as always. All right, mamacitas. We are going to buff this bottom out a little bit and then start adding the blacks, my favorite. So I'm gonna go with my ColourPop Cream Gel Liner on the inside of my waterline. Be very careful going in there because you poke your eye out. You'll shoot your eye out. And we're gonna go in with our Jumbo NYX pencil and line underneath there. This one is very good for smudging. So we're gonna get a nice line on there and then we'll smudge it out. Alrighty guys, and if any point during this video you're thinking to yourself, Desiree, why are you doing Poison Ivy makeup in June? Then this is not the channel for you, my friend. Or maybe it is. Maybe you need to learn the magic of Halloween all the time. Alrighty, we have smudged. Smudge. I'm gonna do a little bit more red because I like to have a nice blended shadow. That black is kind of overpowering my red here, so. Ooh. Okay. So we're gonna do a little bit of our Araceli black liner to line the top. I'm not doing a crazy wing today. And I have got some fabulous lashes picked out for this. Love it. So we're gonna do a little bit of brown to contour a little bit on the lids. Back to my ColourPop, you're my go-to. I just wanna bring a little bit of dimension here to that lid. Smudge. Now we're gonna do some eyelash curling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna use my Il Makiage mascara. I like the bristle. It kind of combs the lashes, which is good when you're gonna use a fake lash. You can see here I have quite a bit of fallout actually, so I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush with nothing on it and just kind of dust under my eye here. Good. Like it never happened. I'm going to set my powder here a little bit, or set my face with some powder here. This is the Shape Tape powder from Tarte that I like a lot. We're just gonna kind of set the shiny bits. Perfect. And we're gonna do a little bit of brush. I'm using this Note blush, Desert Rose. It's very orange, which works here for our theme. Ooh, love that blush. Let us do our lashes. Nice big lashes for this look. You'll have to message me if you want to know what they are. I'll have to look it up on Amazon because I threw the box away. I just have the tray here. But I will find it if you want to know. Ooh, look at that lash. That's beautiful. Wowee. Woo! Ooh, I love that. I'm about to act up. I love this duo glue because it starts out white and then it gets kind of purpley, and that's when you know it's getting tacky and you're ready to stick it on there. And then it dries clear. All right, let's try and put this one in the same place. I mean, I love a bold lash, but wow. And I can't wear these out in public because I cannot fit my glasses over them. Woo, those are good. Brush them just a little bit to blend a bit with my regular lashes. My goodness. Let's line our lips. I did, before we started, I put a little bit of lip balm on so the matte lipstick isn't as dry. This is my Kylie Jenner lip pencil. I have been doing this thing lately where I fill in the top part of my lip instead of having the little bow. I just think it looks super good. Y'all might think I look the fool, but I don't care. I'm gonna put some of this red on, and then we're gonna put some gold over top. Hold that thought. I might be second guessing this red. Instead, we're gonna do this Lime Crime. It's a dark pinky nude. It is called Hoodie, and it's a really nice color. That's pretty. And then over top, we're gonna put a little bit of this ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip, and then we're gonna tap in some gold. I don't want this to mix too much. And this is my Cover FX Glitter Drops. We are just gonna tap that in here. Okay, and we're gonna try not to blend that in anymore. Now for the exciting part. Let's hope these work. They're on my little plate here, and there is a lot of gold dust on them, so that's probably gonna create a nice shimmery look all over for us. We're gonna use, these were made out of paper, and then I just kind of painted on them. So we're going to use eyelash glue and just kind of saturate the inside, and oh, black hell, it stick. I do have a concern for my eyebrows coming off. Let's just hope for the best. We'll probably use a really good
makeup remover on this before we try yanking anything. Okay, that looks pretty saturated. I hope I get the placement right so I don't have to move it. So that went on okay. Yeah. Now hopefully these are the same size. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think I want a little bit more gold in the lip. Yes, I want a little bit more gold in the lip. So I am going to tap it with some of the eyeshadow. Super careful. Ooh, okay, and that took a little bit of my shine out, so I'm gonna put a little bit of the gloss back on top of that. Back and forth and back and forth. These feel pretty secure. Okay, so to complete the look, we're gonna do a wig and a green shirt. I don't have a cool costume like hers, but we're gonna do our best. Be right back. And here's the final look. So many people to kill, so little time. Oh, she's got buns, y'all. Ooh, I love this. If there's anything you guys want a special request or see, let me know. I have a ton of ideas and not a lot of time, but I want to start getting more regular with the videos again. And I want to speak to my peeps, so let me know if there's something you want to see, and I'll see you later. Okay, sluts. Hey guys. A proper cup of coffee in a copper coffee cup. Hey. Me. Hipster, millennial, poison ivy. I don't know what to say here, babe. Turn the muff off.